Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
If I told you that there is a plant that can be used to treat various diseases due to its properties, would you believe it? Which plant do you think it is? Leave your guess in the comments. This plant is related to daisy, marigold and dandelion. It is also known as Matricaria, Tanacetum parthenium, and has been used since the 1st century to reduce fevers, treat headaches, arthritis, menstrual irregularities, upset stomach and many other uses. Little chamomile, as it is also called, has enormous power to cure diseases in its delicacy. It is easily found in Asia, North America, Europe, and Brazil. Learn more about the incredible benefits of this delicate little flower now. It helps to fight fever. As mentioned above, it has been used to treat fevers since the 1st century. It is no coincidence that it is also known as feverfew. Increased appetite. It is excellent for stimulating the appetite, and is very suitable for people who cannot eat properly. But even those who cannot gain weight will benefit from its use. Fights headaches and migraines. The analgesic and sedative effects of chamomile make the plant a well-known headache and migraine fighter, while analgesic substances fight the pain itself. The sedative properties dilate the constricted blood vessels that cause migraines, help with respiratory problems. It also has antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. It therefore helps to fight respiratory diseases and the accumulation of mucus. It can also relieve inflammation of the airways, such as irritation that causes coughing, shortness of breath and mucus secretion. Relieves pain. In addition to headaches and migraines, it is also used to fight localized pain throughout the body. Related to its anti-inflammatory properties, prevents the formation of blood clots. Matricaria also helps prevent blood clots. And do you know why this is important? Among the problems that can result from the formation of blood clots in the blood vessels include heart attacks and strokes. Improves menstrual flow and relieves symptoms of PMS. Chamomile can also help relieve some discomforts that occur during menstruation. It is effective against cramps and reduces anxiety and mood swings. Contributes to skin health. Research from 2009 showed that Matricaria has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, suggesting that it can relieve skin inflammation. For this reason, it is an excellent anti-inflammatory to relieve skin redness. The plant can be part of a topical remedy to relieve skin rashes and rosacea, a condition characterized by redness and inflamed lesions. Did you like to learn more about the benefits of the plant? Here's how to prepare the tea to enjoy all these benefits. To prepare the tea, you will need 1 gram of dried Matricaria leaves and flowers, available in organic stores, and 200 milliliters of drinking water. First boil the water. Then add the leaves of the herb to the boiled water. Let the tea steep for 10 minutes, covered. Then simply strain the tea and serve. Tea can be drunk with or without sweetener. It is recommended to drink up to 3 medium cups, 120 milliliters, of Matricaria tea per day, up to 15 consecutive days. After 15 days of continuous tea consumption, a break of at least 15 days should be taken. Consumption is not suitable for children under 10 and people sensitive to the plant, such as pregnant and lactating women. Also, it should be remembered that chewing Matricaria leaves or flowers is not recommended, as this can cause severe mouth irritation. Excessive consumption of the plant can also cause unpleasant side effects, such as stomach pain, diarrhea, headache, vomiting and others. The medicinal use of feverfew is recommended only for the relief of symptoms, or for the control of benign diseases. Did you enjoy learning more about Matricaria and how to take advantage of its benefits? If you already knew, let me know in the comments. If you like to know more about the plant, share this information with the people you want to see healthy. I wish you a good health.